Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about Valentino unboxing, but before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button. My name is Tonique Campbell, aka Bouji in London, and I do videos on how to be bougie in skincare and how to be bougie in fashion. So what are you waiting for? Oh, you subscribe? Okay, let's get into the video. Well, alrighty people, so guys, this bag is very me. I feel like I always describe my style as classic, and then my friends or people around me are like, no, you're not classic, you're very out there, you're very dun 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 dun. I've arrived. So I feel like this bag really it isn't that classic, so I don't know why I always say I'm a bit classic, but I am off out. So I thought I'd unbox it with you guys. But a little background story, and I won't keep you too long because I hate when people do like a unboxing and they take forever. It's like, come on, show us the bag. But before lockdown, I saw this bag. It came out, and I think I saw in someone's video that they had it in Harrods as well, and I was like, oh my god, this bag is going to be perfect for summer with a nice white dress, and then I can dress it up in winter with like dark colors, and it's just gonna pop. It's just gonna be like the statement piece. However, before I could even say bada bing bada boom, we went into lockdown, and I was like, is the bag still going to be there? Because anyway, we came out of lockdown and I purchased this bag. I just haven't had time to wear it anywhere because, well, I was going to say that I haven't really been going anywhere, but I've really been doing the most. And I have been going out, so I don't actually know why I haven't taken it out just yet, but tonight's the night. And the worst thing is, I'm not even taking it to anywhere classy. I'm literally going to go and eat at an African restaurant with my mate, but I think this will just make the outfit pop. The only thing I hate is like if you buy like some designer pieces from online or a department store, they don't actually come in the original packaging, they just come in like a brown box. So it's like, where's the red packaging at? But yeah, that's the bummer. So here is the bag. Comes in this little like Valentino dust bag. Dun 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 dun. Oh, it's upside down. 1 second. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. How freaking cute is this bag? I think this bag is flipping cute.
So this is the Valentino Micro Rockstud Spike Fluo Calfskin leather bag, and the color is lime. I just love the neon color. I think it just gives a pop to the outfit, and I love the signature rock studs that Valentino do. I mean, the craftsmanship in this bag is just absolutely beautiful, guys.
Little Valentino card, and I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Inside it comes with the chain, packaging, and I think these are like, I don't know, oh, extra studs, and a little Valentino authentication card. I was gonna say I always keep these, but I actually don't. But we can leave this somewhere here, just in case. I always keep them, but I just don't know where I keep them. Like, I feel like people watching this must think my room is just full of stuff, which it is. But this is so cute. I think this is so cute. Cute, cute, so cute. You can also wear it crossbody. As I am gonna go out, I'm just gonna place things inside the bag because I know there's some haters out there like, oh my god, that bag is tiny, like what's it gonna fit in there? What is it not gonna fit in there? Like, I don't really have much, to be honest. Okay guys, so oh my god, I literally was about to go wham, and if I got red lipstick on this bag, I would have gone Okay, I'm going out, so let's see if everything fits in this little bag. First things first, keys, must have. This is my little Bobbi Brown mini brush. I use it all the time, although that sounds really disgusting. But I do use it all the time to powder my face. I do wash it. I've got my MAC Dark Blot powder press. Yes. Fenty Beauty lipstick in Uncensored. Yeah, that's going in. Carmex, a classic. We don't want no dry lips. Yep, that's going in. Lighter, because someone is a smoker. Cigarettes, let's just not advertise that. So keep it going. Yes, yes, yes. Card holder, Balenciaga. Let's see. Oh, it's always a tight squeeze, isn't it? No, no, it's not fitting in. So something has to budge. Right, okay, we can do this. We can do this. What needs to go? I think the Carmex has to go, to be honest. Oh guys, no, it's not the so it doesn't fit the Fenty Beauty lipstick or the Carmex, and it is looking a little bit packed, isn't it? It fits most things. It does. I've already checked as well, but it does fit my phone, which is an iPhone X. so it doesn't fit my phone, but I never put my phone in my bag. I always have my phone in my hand or in my back pocket. So I think we might have to take these cigarettes out and put these back in and maybe have my cigarettes in my jacket. But it does fit the essentials, I would say. Anyways, guys, I'm going to show you how I styled it.
So I ended up going very casual and having muted tones, ensuring that the bag would make my outfit pop. So I wore Balenciaga knife sock boots with frame denim, skinny jeans, my Vetements grey hoodie, and a faux leather trench jacket from Just Fab. If you like what I'm wearing, I will leave links where you can purchase my outfit. But yeah, guys, let me know what you thought of my outfit. Did I rock it or nah?
And the price was £865, which does sound a lot, but I do think it's worth it. The reason why I say this is the quality of a Valentino bag is actually quite good. You have to remember there are studs everywhere throughout this bag, so I'm quite happy with it. I don't know if it's your cup of tea. If it's not, let me know in the comments below. As I said, I'm off out to eat some dinner. I'm going to NS with my Nigerian friend, and NS is a Nigerian restaurant, so we're off out to eat. She was literally like, don't dress up, dress casual, I know you. But I was like, casual is not casual. So she said she's wearing a hoodie, so I decided to wear a hoodie. It is Vetements, but it was either that or Wild Fox, and I was like, Wild Fox is kind of like going to bed. Let me know if you think it's casual or not. But yeah, that's all, guys. So in love with this bag. It's just, I think it's just flipping amazing. But if you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below where you can purchase these products from. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what guys? Bougie.